Hi all, welcome to Tekla tutorial for beginners. If you like this video, please subscribe by clicking the subscribe button here. Alright guys, today we are going to look at how to apply custom connections in Autoconnection. Okay, here is a custom component I have created. Let's see what it does. So I click on that and the main part, and then secondary part, it puts 3 bolts. If I pick a very long piece and apply the same connection, it puts more bolts. The custom connection actually keeps that distance at 45, this also at 45, and then equi-spaces the rest of the bolts. Here I am going to auto connections and going to advanced, and then I am going to use the beam to beam web. These are two beams basically connecting to each other on the web, and also I'm going to set this to no auto defaults and select my custom component, which is grill bolt. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put an object filter on the view which selects only class 2 and 3. I also clicked only select paths, don't select anything else, and then I'm going to select all these paths where I want to apply the custom connection and create connections. So it has created these connections, and let's have a look. So it has put all the bolts. So that's basically what it is. You can do this very effectively without going and clicking everything here. If you look at these connections, these connections were also created using auto connection. Otherwise you'll be clicking too many times. It was using another custom component. Now I have created these dummies. Now what I'll have to do is either explode and get rid of these dummies, or don't use that in the drawings. Thank you very much for watching. That is the end of this lesson. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you for watching.